Hi, I want to share this 3D printed waist level finder for Pentax 6.7 series. It will fit the original 6x7, 6.7, and 6.7 II. I have two designs. The difference is in the label. One says Pentax, one says Asahi Pentax. This is what it looks like. It has a base, and you can remove it from its base by pressing the two sides, and it will open like this, and it's held together by two magnets, and there is a magnifier in the center. You can remove it or lift it like this, and on the camera it looks like this. It will be available in my eBay shop, and let me know if you have any feedback or if you want to purchase it. I'll provide the link below. Thank you.